So now this is chapter 14 about the Web3.js. So the Solidity contract is complete and we need to write a JavaScript front end to interact with the contract. So later we will learn about the Web3.js and we are going to go over in depth how to deploy the contract and set up Web3.js, but now we are going to take a look on this sample code. And if you already know the JavaScript, I think this is very like the jQuery. So you get the values from this input box and you will base on the name and create a zombie. For example, we type C. Now you have this zombie and the event. So it listens the event and return the generate by using the generate zombie function to generate this. So we get it from the smart contract and get the ID and get the name and also the DNA. And by using the DNA, you can see it has net DNA string to string DNA. So I just take a quick look on the code. So because it also said no need to worry about this at this stage, but I just want to let you know how to create this. So the head choice depends on the modulus 7 plus 1. So if you remember in lesson 1 we have this. It already said it takes the first two letters. So you can see from 0 to 2. It takes the first two letters and divide by 7 and then plus 1, so you get 7. So now you can choose 7, this head gene. But in here we are going to do this by program. So you use the same strategic to get the eye choice, the third choice, and the skin choice is a little bit different because you have 360 choice, not just 7. So you have to do it with another algorithm. So after we already have all the color choice and also the head choice, we can return the detail. And by returning the detail, we can use the browser-based JavaScript such as Vue JS, I think React.js, and apply some CSS to get this image. So now this is just a very simple task. Just type in your name and see what kind of zombie you get. And if you're happy with it, you can go to next chapter and we can type our name. This is CK Mobile, and you can see each time we type the CK Mobile, it will have the same result. So this is not random. It's just like DNA. So the name is the DNA, and if you have a little change, for example, we add a and it will already has different appearance. So this is how it works. It shows how to use the JavaScript at the front end. So now we can save it, and if you like this, you can share to the Twitter or Facebook or even join their Telegram. So we can go to the next lesson.